In this video, we are going to transform the look of Windows 11 with a clean nature-inspired customization using Windhawk. We will customize the taskbar, Start menu, File Explorer, and settings to create a fresh and modern desktop experience. And this is what your Windows 11 will look like after the end of this video. So let's get started and customize Windows 11 step by step. At first, create a restore point before we start customization Windows 11. This gives us a safe backup point in case anything goes wrong during the customization process. Once the restore point is created, we can continue with the setup. Now let's uninstall Windhawk to unlock more customization options for Windows 11. Windhawk allows us to modify different parts of the system including the taskbar, Start menu, File Explorer, and other visual elements. Download and install Windhawk, then open it so we can continue with the customization. Now unzip the Nature Windows 11 theme. Open the extracted folder. Inside you will find the Nature Windows 11 files. First choose the wallpaper you like, then set as your Windows 11 desktop background. This will give us the perfect nature inspired look before we move on to the next customization steps. Go to the Windhawk and search here for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Now click on the details and install it on here. Now go to the Nature Inspired Windows 11 customization folder and click here Windows config. Now we need to see where is the Windows 11 Taskbar Styler and click it. Now select it all and copy it here and then go to the Windhawk and click here advanced and paste it here in the mod settings and click on the save. Now we need to search for taskbar height and icon size. Click on the details, then click on install and accept tricks and install. Now go to the Nature Inspired folder and again go to the Windhawk config. Click on the taskbar height icon size. Select all it here. Now copy it and again go to the Windhawk and click here advanced and paste it here. Then click here save. Now we need to search here Windows 11 Start menu Styler. Now click on details. Again install these mods here. Now go to the Nature Inspired Windows 11 folder and click here the Windhawk config and see where is the Windows 11 Start menu Styler and click on it. Then select it all and copy it here. Now go to the Windhawk and click here advanced, then paste it here, the mod settings, and click it save. See the statement is changing here. Now we need to search here for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Now click here Details and install it here. Then go to the Windhawk config file. Select all it here. Now copy it and go to the Windhawk and click here Advanced. Now paste it all here and click on Save. We need to search here for resource redirect. Now click here Details and install it. Accept risks and install here. And we need to extract the leafy icon pack. And click on the icon pack. Right click on it and copy it here. Now go to the documents and create a new folder. And name it icon pack. Now click on the icon pack and paste it here. And right click on the leafy icon pack and click here show more options. Now click the copy as path and go to the Windhawk and click here settings and search here for theme paths and paste it here. Now we need to remove the quotation mark also here. Then click the save settings. Now we need to enable the disable folder thumbnails and click the save and also click here yes. Now let's take a look at the changes after applying resource redirect. As you can see, the Windows 11 interface looks different. These small changes helps bring the overall nature-inspired theme together. Now again click here Explorer. And search here for translation to Windows. And click here Details. Now install it here. Click here settings. We need to disable the new system colors here. And the background effects will be accent blur behind. And we need to search here for Windows 11 Settings Styler. And click on Details. Now install it. Accept risks and install here. Now click the Nature Inspired Windows 11 customization and go to the Windhawk config and search for the Windows 11 Settings Styler. And we need to select all and copy it. Then go to the Windhawk. Click here Advanced and paste it here. And click on the Save. After installing and setting up the styler, you can see that the taskbar have changed. The new styling gives the taskbar a cleaner and more customized look, matching the overall nature-inspired Windows 11 theme. Now open the Task Manager and search for Windhawk. Here you can check how much memory and system resources Windhawk is consuming after the customization. If you want to remove the customization, open Windhawk and uninstall the mods you added. After that, go to control panel and search here for Windhawk and select the uninstall options. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove Windhawk from your Windows 11 system. And that's it. Our Windows 11 desktop now has a beautiful nature-inspired look with a customized taskbar and other interface elements. We also checked Windhawk's resources uses in Task Manager. If you enjoyed this customization, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows 11 customization videos.